My English Book 5, page number 6, Unit 1, Number Work. Listen carefully and note down in figures the 4 numbers in the story. गौर से सुनिए और कहानी में लफ्ज़ों में आए हुए 4 अदद अंग्रेज़ी हिंसों में लिखिए. The Golden Feather. One day, the queen was taking a walk in her garden when she found a big, beautiful golden feather. Then she met a little man. He said, "If you give me that feather, I will give you 3 big diamonds." "Sorry," said the queen. Then she met an old woman. The old woman said, "If you give me that feather, I will give you a necklace of 21 pearls." "Sorry," said the queen. Then she met the king. The king said, "If you give me that feather, I will give you 99 gold coins." "Sorry, dear," said the queen. Then she met the little prince. He said, "Oh, Mama, what a bright, beautiful feather." "Take it, my dear," said the queen. "Keep it safe." Listen to the story again and note down the words that begins with W. कहानी को दोबारा सुनिए और W से शुरू होने वाले अल्फाज लिखिए. Page number 7. Look, listen and read aloud with me. Select any one number and frame a sentence about it. देखिए, सुनिए और मेरे साथ बुलंद आवाज़ में दोहराइए. किसी एक अदद का इंतखाब करके इसके बारे में अंग्रेज़ी में जुमला बनाइए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. You have to make sentence by using these numbers. Just like they had 2 daughters. January has 31 days. A spider has 8 legs. There are 7 days in a week. There are 88 pages in this book. My brother made 54 runs yesterday. Read aloud and learn. बुलंद आवाज़ से पढ़िए और सीखिए. 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 or a 1 lakh, a million or a 10 lakh, 10 million or 1 crore. Make a big chart of numbers 1 to 100 written in words. 1 से 100 तक अददों को लफ्ज़ों में लिखकर जदवल बनाइए. This is your home activity and homework. Think of larger number and make suitable sentence. दिल ही दिल में बड़े अदद सोचिए और इनका इस्तेमाल करके अंग्रेज़ी जुमले बनाइए. Just like there are 365 days in a year. My mother bought a table for 5,000 rupees. There are millions of stars in the sky. Thank you.